CES 2024 Automotive Showdown, Kia leads EV vans contest. Kia, a newcomer brand in the sphere of automobile manufacturing, presented a range of customizable EV concepts at the CES 2024 on Tuesday. Since the auto manufacturing sector has long aimed its production wings towards a greener facet of the planet, companies are already engrossed in making vehicles that release less to no carbon at the atmosphere. One may call it an upshot of bandwagoning on environmental sustainability, which is driven by the ever-worsening hazardous after-effects of global warming. But Kia, with these yet-to-be-designed vans, has embarked on a remarkable feat. Here are Kia's upcoming EV vans. Among three van concepts which Kia flaunted at the CES stage, the most astounding was PV5, its medium-sized van, which will be the first to be on the market once manufactured. The extent to which this van can be customized is something out of one's grasp. This claim could be measured by removable separate body section features. Behind the front driving area inside the vehicle, this space-separating characteristic allows the vehicle to be a passenger. Kia's PV1 and PV7. At the Consumer Electronics Show 2024, the manufacturer also displayed a bigger van called the PV7 and a much smaller van, the PV1, tailored to roam through packed urban traffic. The PV7 is like big vans that carry lots of cargo or have multiple rows of seats for people, whereas the PV1 bears resemblance with very small vans that are used when cargo space isn't needed, but ease of parking is the priority. The company said these vans will be manufactured at Kia's designated production base in South Korea with an output of about 150,000 units per year. Kia also vows to offer to its commercial customers, under the hood of these customizable vans, an integrated fleet management system and a specialized customer support team, which are the exclusive services that are extended by Ford and General Motors to their big fleet customers. The South Korean automaker at the moment has family minivans at the forefront of its stores, such as Kia Carnival, electric cars, and some SUVs too.